So here's the situation.
See how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
3 weeks of travel, 4 pairs of pants.
No! God, please, no!
Let's see. Move, shirt. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Which one? Mom pants. Other pants. How do I know which one to take? 2 pairs of jeans, that's too much. Maybe I'll just take 5. 4 was an arbitrary number anyway. I'll just take 5. You know, all the influencers are like, sorry for the sun. There's no sun today, so the lighting's not great. I haven't even seen the sun in like...
It's been 84 years.
This sweater goes with everything. This shirt also goes with every single pair of pants. So also, yes. Yeah, every single one. Maybe not. I love this pink shirt, but I'm like, is it right for travel because it stands out so much? So can I wear it multiple times and still look good on the Instagram? Also, if you just want to like follow along my trip and see all my cool pictures I'm gonna post, you can just follow me on Insta. Love this shirt. Could like this brand sponsor me? I'm basically wearing all of their clothes for travel. Like, please, I love you. Try this one on with my outfits to see if like it actually goes with everything or just goes in my head. Wouldn't I look so French in this?
Oui, oui, baguette.
I might need to try this one on. I thought it was gonna match everything, but now I'm kind of like, am I not? Sponsor me. It looks a little too like mommy, matronly. Not mommy, because mommy is like
Quack, 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 quack.
But this is more like my mother. I thought that one was a guarantee, but it's not. If you haven't figured it out by now. I also got these like super trendy tights right now that everyone's like, you thought it was my skin? It's fleece!
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
I definitely have dresses that I can wear these with, but now I'm like looking in my closet, this dress is long. Like, I don't need tights with that. Maybe wear this one, but would it look good as the tights? Is this even a tight kind of dress? I feel like, no, this is not it. I'm not taking this one, no. Is it even worth it to bring this when I can only wear like 2 shirts with it? It wouldn't even change the outfit that much. I do have a plethora of skirts. However, skirts with the fabric of the skirt and this fabric, it's kind of like a lot. Skirts are sportsy, so that wouldn't really match this. Do I not even bring these? This was like my plan. When we travel, we're gonna wear these cool outfits and do all these new things. Yeah, I have so many cute little outer jackets like this that I don't often wear. That is adorable. You hear that? I have this one, but this is the one that I wear the most. And so I'm kind of thinking, do I bring the one that I wear the most, or do I get fun and bring one that I don't wear that much and hopefully will wear on the trip? Realistic self, optimistic self. Who should I choose?
He tried it.
No. Optimistic jacket. Like, okay, this is actually problematic. I want to wear this shirt and these pants together, but if I can't wear it with a jacket, it might be too cold for France in April. So I might not even bring this shirt.
Nani?
This flows a little bit better. It goes with this jacket, goes with this jacket. And if I want to make it even more fun, collar under it. Look at that. So this one's a yes. Yes. No. Yeah, with the belt, yes. You think it's black? Well, watch this. It's a brown belt, girl. You can make it all these different colors and orientation. Got this at a thrift store, it's pretty fun. These pants are just so comfy, like, yeah, they're could work. Maybe different pants. Maybe not. That might be better. That's better. These pants? No. Yes. My try-on stuff, I found one to cut and two that worked. So actually that was really useful. This is my first time trying on all of my outfits before I go somewhere. I think it will really help. Ugh. If the sweater was just like that instead, I would love it even more. But because it's like this, it kind of like ruins so many outfits. Oh, it's like not, it's not quite it. This will still be too cold. No, actually it doesn't work. I can only find one outfit for this dress. Probably not worth the room because it is a lot of fabric, so it doesn't roll up super small. It's a little bit thick, so it's probably not the one. LOL. It took me such a long time to figure out what I should bring bag-wise. I only want to bring one bag. I have a really cute bag that I wanted to bring, but it's kind of bulky, and I was like, well, what if I need to stuff it in my carry-on? It won't work. And it's also a very nice bag, so if it got damaged or lost, I would be devastated. I actually found this vintage Calvin Klein leather bag at an estate sale, and it's in amazing condition. The liner is like perfectly clean, no weird smells. The only thing is like this hardware is a little bit messed up, and it's gonna go with everything. Foldable, look at that, squished, I squished it. Isn't that awesome? These are also leather. I got them on Poshmark for like 30 bucks. Put some of this beeswax leather protector on them and the bag so that when I'm walking through the rain, it's not damaging the leather. I think I might also do a water spray on top of it too, like a water repellent spray, so that way they're extra not getting damaged. It's crazy to only bring one pair of shoes, like, bruh. Ta-da! So we have shoes, belt, purse, 3 outerwears, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of pants, 4 sweaters, 13 shirts. 3 weeks of travel, only 13 shirts.
This game sucks.
Okay, to jazz it up a bit, we're gonna go with our tiger and bear shirts, so they get added to the pile. This is pretty good, I'm excited.
Hey, disconnected.
Bringing this steamer. It's not very powerful, but it will work. And then this is a little sound machine. There's a difference between a voltage converter and just a outlet converter, but this is an actual voltage converter, which is important if you're gonna use something like a steamer or blow dryer or anything like that. Thanks to you and your motivation, I'm actually gonna have outfits that actually work, and they're actually gonna fit together, and I think I'm gonna wear all of my clothes, which is insane, and it's all gonna fit in this carry-on. Thanks to your motivation, we got this done. I'll see you guys later.
Missing someone.